Are you searching for the perfect family home in a charming neighborhood with all the modern amenities you need? Finding the right home can be a challenge, but today I'm excited to introduce you to our new listing of the week. Hello, I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I'm your local real estate expert with Coldwell Banker, serving the Chicagoland and the suburbs. Welcome to 3507 North Osceola Avenue, a stunning classic brick bungalow nested in the heart of Dunning neighborhood of Chicago. It's on the northwest of Chicago. This beautiful single-family home boasts 5 spacious bedrooms, with 2 on the main floor and a secluded master bedroom on the upper level and 2 additional bedrooms in the finished basement. The open concept living room, dining room, and the kitchen are perfect for modern living, featuring gleaming hardwood floors, LED lights, and a ceiling fan for bright and inviting atmosphere. Not to mention all the natural light that's coming in with the brand new windows. The chef's kitchen is equipped with white cabinets, white quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances, including a stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave. All compel into a beautiful backsplash. The master bedroom offers the perfect retreat for privacy, while the finished basement expands the living space with a full family room, 2 extra bedrooms, and a full bath, and a new washer and dryer that comes with. Step outside into the beautiful deck in the backyard, ideal for enjoying your morning coffee or hosting summer barbecues. This super long backyard is perfect for summertime hangouts. Additionally, features include a new garage with 2 separate parking spaces with a newer roof, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. This home is conveniently located near top schools, shopping centers, dining options, and transportation, making it perfect for families. And if you're looking for a home that combines modern amenities with a charming neighborhood feel, this is the property for you. The perfect choice. Contact me for a private tour at 773-550-4846. I will guide you through every step of the process, holding your hand to ensure that the smooth and successful real estate investment. You won't be alone. If you liked this video and it was very informative and educational, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. Please comment and share with friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping finding your dream home.